The stadium construction continues to move forward with important progress happening across multiple sections. From structural components prepared for installation to sandwich panels being placed and interior work advancing, several areas of the project are developing step by step. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the latest updates from different parts of the stadium and see how the work is progressing. In the structural storage area, 2 large radial beams are still on the ground waiting to be lifted, while several flanges and a vertical pillar remain prepared for installation. Workers are present despite the rain, continuing inspections around the materials. Toward the northern side, the situation remains the same, with no new deliveries or movements observed. Due to the ongoing bad weather, major lifting operations with tower cranes are currently paused. In the lower structural level, recent concrete work can be clearly seen. Areas that previously had reinforcing mesh installed have now been fully concreted. Large sections of the floor in the background are already finished with fresh concrete. However, some parts of this level still require additional concreting work. There appears to be a slight step in the floor structure, indicating that more layers of concrete will likely be applied to complete the entire surface. Workers are currently operating in covered areas where the rain does not reach. Inside the protected sections of the structure, crews are continuing their tasks without interruption from the weather. Several workers are positioned near internal platforms and structures. Communication between team members is visible as they coordinate ongoing tasks. These interior zones allow work to continue more comfortably while the rain continues outside. Activity on the first cantilever level is limited due to the bad weather. A yellow elevated platform is moving between positions while workers continue tasks beneath the hollow core slabs. Crane activity is minimal, but smaller operations using lifting platforms are still ongoing in this section. Several workers are currently active around the structural framework of the staircases. Elevated platforms are being used to reach higher connection points. The framework itself is already well advanced, and crews are likely securing or installing remaining structural elements. Even with the rain, work is continuing slowly within these areas. The second cantilever level shows noticeably less movement compared to the lower levels. Few workers are visible in this section at the moment. Some elevated platforms remain stationed here but appear unused for now. Activity may be occurring inside the structure rather than on the exposed exterior areas due to the heavy rain. The installation of prefabricated seating panels in the 3rd tier is progressing steadily across the stadium. With the current speed of installation, it is possible that the entire 3rd tier structure could be finished during March, depending on weather conditions. The rain and wind currently affecting the site could slow progress, but once conditions improve, the installation process may accelerate again. The installation of sandwich panels in the south structure is progressing gradually, with several panels already installed along the outer structure. One panel on the lower left side is still missing and will be installed to complete this section. Nearby, a large number of sandwich panels are stored inside a fenced area, ready for upcoming installations in different parts of the stadium once work continues. In the corner sector, the false ceiling structure formed by installed brackets is clearly visible. These brackets were installed over previous weeks to prepare for the next stage of facade installation. However, no new panels or finishing elements have been added in this area recently. The installation of the outer slats for this sector may resume once weather conditions allow crane operations to continue. The installation of the stadium facade slats has been relatively slow so far. The process began around mid-October, and up to now approximately 5.5 sectors have been completed. 2 sectors are fully finished, while several others are partially completed. The structural frame near the south goal is mostly completed. However, some small sections on the left side and near the upper area still require additional sandwich panels. Once these final panels are installed, this structural segment will be fully closed and completed. A worker is currently visible inspecting connection points and anchors on the installed panels. The task likely involves tightening bolts and ensuring that the panels are securely fixed to the structural frame. This type of inspection typically occurs before the installation work continues into adjacent sections. At the north goal corner, several trucks have arrived carrying insulation materials, specifically rock wool. Multiple deliveries are visible, with workers unloading the materials and stacking them in a designated area. These materials will likely be used for insulation within the facade or structural systems in this part of the stadium. Workers in elevated platforms are installing new anchors along a structural section in the north corner. About half of the anchors in this row have already been installed, while the rest still need to be placed. These anchors will serve as attachment points for upcoming facade components or structural elements. Another crew working from an elevated platform appears to be applying a white material onto one of the structural beams. This process likely involves sealing, coating, or protective treatment for the beam surfaces. The work is taking place between the beam structure and the elevated platform. A concrete pump has been brought into the north goal area, indicating ongoing concreting work in this section. Although the pump is currently stationary, the presence of a concrete mixer truck behind it confirms that concrete is being poured nearby. This work may involve finishing surfaces along the cantilever structure or completing flooring sections. 2 workers are seen performing work on the structural supports designed for the facade slats. One worker is using a hammer to adjust or secure parts of the support system. These supports must be precisely aligned before the slats themselves can be installed. In the tribune corner, interior corridors and passageways appear fully prepared. Construction in this area looks highly advanced, with clean surfaces and completed structural elements. Some connection sections installed previously remain unchanged. In the tribune section, several activities are taking place across different areas. Workers are present around the escalator area, where one worker is cleaning the entrance while another is positioned higher up on the structure. At the same time, sandwich panel installation is continuing on the tribune facade, with a new panel recently installed and workers securing it by tightening the connections while another worker assists from above. Nearby, construction equipment including a concrete pump and crane can also be seen in the area, indicating ongoing structural work. Overall, work in the tribune section is progressing steadily, with finishing tasks and panel installations continuing across the structure. In the diamond-shaped structure near the stadium store area, minor structural work continues. A previously installed metal piece remains visible, and no major changes have occurred in this section recently. Additional glass panels are still missing from the upper door areas, indicating that finishing work here is still ongoing. That's all for today's stadium construction update. If you enjoyed the video and want to keep following the latest progress, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming updates.